2013 Open Range Roamer 357 Rees for sale in Dandridge, Tennessee 37725. Get ready to experience quality residential living right by the campsite with this 2013 Open Range Roamer 357 Rees. This fifth wheel RV is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. It is 35.17 feet in length and comes with a creative floor plan that is 3 slide-outs and 1/16 awning, and sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this open range is very clean and comes with the convenience of self-leveling jacks and plenty of storage space. This open range fifth wheel has everything you need to truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. This make and model RV, in excellent condition, does not come up for sale very often. It is equipped better than most comparable RVs in its class, has a spacious floor plan that is tough to beat and was built by a top-rated manufacturer using the latest aluminum and composite technologies. This RV is a very well-balanced unit and tows exceptionally well. The features on this RV are many: polar package, for 4 seasons living automatic leveling system spacious slides, opens to approximately 14 wide 2 AC units heat pump and gas furnace heating 4 to 20 gallon propane bottles for 80 gallon propane capacity 12 cubic foot double door refrigerator/freezer, runs on electric or propane 3-burner gas stove/gas oven and microwaveDouble stainless sink and manufactured stone countertops, movable kitchen islandStone backsplash and kitchen dining table and chairs, not a booth electric fireplace/heaterEntertainment center with LED TV2 recliners plus queen-size sofa bed in living area, queen bed in bedroom spacious dresser in bedroom closet with mirror and sliding doorsLED TV and bedroom spacious shower and new updated residential size toilet and bathroom plumbed floor washer/dryerNew blank flooringLarge electric awningSpacious cargo areasExterior undercarriage LED lightingTire monitoring system rear hitch receiver 4x rack/carrier. Have a 3x rack available if interested. Comes with an approximate 12-month transferable warranty. Dry weight is approximately 9,700 lbs. Loaded weight is approximately 12,700 pounds and so much more. This 2015 Open Road Roamer 337 RLS is exceptionally clean and ready to hit the road. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fifth wheel is priced to sell, so call today for more information on how you create lasting memories with loved ones and friends in this open range fifth wheel.